Go on, Adam, use a little bit of the power. This car's hanging back to let us in. Well done. Mirrors and brakes early, don't leave it to the last minute, otherwise you're going to have to use them too sharply. Okay, so start your braking early, especially when you're on a downhill. Nice, mirrors, Abdullah, very good. Adam, hold your balance. Move back into the middle of your lane, not the middle of the two lanes. And we're turning left at the lights, left at the lights. Lovely. Should be in position 1 to turn left, turning left, keep left. Nice. Don't want to be any closer to the car than you are, Abdullah, a bit close. Somewhere between a bike and a car's length. So you should be able to fit a full-size motorbike between you and that car at least. That's so you've got options to ride out of that position really easily. Shoulder, shoulder. Lovely. Use your clutch, this is tight. Mirrors. Lovely, mirrors again. Any change of speed, so it's mirrors to slow, mirrors to go. Lovely. Just watch as the car comes out towards you, Adam, move in. Look at the oncoming traffic, they're coming around and past parked vehicles on their side of the road, so think about your safest position. Good, nice mirrors from you both, well done. Nice, a little bit late with your brakes there, Abdullah. If you're going to brake, brake before the bend, not in the bend, remember. Same with you, Adam. Oh, it's a bend, I'm going to have to use my brakes. See the bend earlier, brake earlier, and don't go in too quick. It's all in the planning. If you can plan ahead earlier, you'll keep yourself safer gently. Don't grab them. Even if the lights change suddenly, wait for us on the left, please, Abdullah. You need to be gentle. Everything you do needs to be smooth and gentle. Take your time, wait, clutch out to the bike point and back in, just take your time, don't rush. Never stamp on your gear lever, okay? Clutch out to the bike point and back in again for each gear you get stuck in, and gentle taps. Off we go, Abdullah, if it's safe. Lovely, thank you, straight ahead at the lights, straight ahead. Good, well done. Merging lanes, Adam, you need a lifesaver, mate, not just a mirror. Just because I'm behind you, don't trust me. And we need to see you do what you do on your own. Turning left, keep left. Keep left, Adam. Well done. Can we use the bus lane? Well done. Good. Bit too early for first gear, Adam. If it goes bang, it's too early. I didn't even see you do it, I just heard the bike go bang. Make sure you are at first gear speeds, which is under about 8 miles an hour when you put it into first gear. Good, well done, fabulous. You are correct, Abdullah, it's just we're going to need this lane for the roundabout, so when you're ready you can come out again. Well done. You are supposed to use the bus lane when you can though, so well done. Watch the back end of the bus doesn't come out towards you. Stay in this lane, we are turning right at the roundabout, third exit for the Ring Road North. 32 before we get there though. Well, none of that dawdly business, now plan your braking, mirrors, easing off, gently on both brakes. Down to second gear at the moment, not first because we're not stopping yet. Only first for when you're stopping. Good, well done with your indicators. Lovely, first gear. Well done. Just got to work on that little bit of easing off there, Adam. Lovely, there's no shoulders for moving off now, Abdullah, because you need to take the opportunity, so no more shoulders. Good, well done. Very nice. Think about which lane you're going to land in when this one splits into two. Good, well done. We are going around to the right in this lane. Do make sure you go round to the right. Plan that braking, Adam. Dead smooth. Take your speed off slower. Slower. Nearly stop, then stop. Nice, well done, that was good. Lovely. So as I was saying, make sure you go around to the right, please. Staying in your lane. Adam, stop. Take your clutch out to the bike point and back in again. Then tap on your gear lever. Do it again. Okay, stop stamping on the gear lever, mate, because it's bad for the bike. Okay, you'll knacker your gearbox. So you just take the clutch out to the bike and back in again. Whoops, mind your lane discipline, Abdullah. You've landed in the left lane. Okay, you should stay in your lane until you actively change lanes with a lifesaver. Lovely, well done, nice and smooth. That was good. Mirrors. As soon as the lights change. Should be a car and a half's length back from the lorry, Abdullah, because we can't see his mirrors. Car and a half's length. That means if he puts it into reverse, you've got plenty of time to beep your horn, drop the bike and run. If you get too close, you've got no time. You just get squished. Well done. Lovely. If that truck's changed one lane, just watch if he's going to go for another one. Left at the traffic lights, left at the lights. Try not to be in his blind spot, Abdullah, because if he changes lanes on you now, you're going to be squashed. So you either need to accelerate away from the van or drop back. You're in first gear. Fabulous. Well done. Just checking. Good, well done. Try and stay far enough back from the lorry that you can see around it. Indicator, Adam. Well done. It's quite hard back there. You have to cancel that quite quickly, otherwise the little people will pull out on you.